Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, what we're going to talk about is maximum likelihood estimation. So maximum likelihood estimation involves finding the parameter values that maximize the likelihood function, which measures the probability of the observed example given the parameter values. MLE is widely used due to its desirable properties such as consistency and asymptotic normality. So what I've done in order to prove MLE, I've made a chart. So the first thing that we're going to use to make this chart, we're going to use a Poisson distribution. So we've got a lambda of 6 and a mean of 9.5. So it's A8 to A27. So that means you got 19 values, or actually 20 values, because the first number is 0. And then you've got your total log likelihood being D8 to D27. So we've got our values 0 to 19 in columns A and column C. And then you've got Poisson distribution, which is Poisson.dist brackets A8, B3, false. That means you're getting a PDF, a probability distribution function. And so that's 20 variables that make up the Poisson distribution. And now we're going to do the log likelihood. So the log likelihood equals A8 times the natural log of B4 minus the natural minus B4 minus the natural log of the factorial of A8. So that's your log likelihood. And then you just copy and paste that formula all the way down. It's for your 20 samples. So, and then what that does is that creates, this value creates the Poisson distribution. And what I've done is I put a slider in here. So the slider will change the lambda. And then as the lambda changes, the shape of the Poisson distribution will change as well. I'm trying to change it. I'm trying to change the slider. Okay, so it is doing something. So it's not really wanting to do very much, but what we'll do is we'll look at the slider. It says format control. It says it's on cell B3, so that's true, that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So it should be changing. Oh, it's done something. Okay. So the slider just doesn't really want to work. Oh, it's done something. Okay, so finally it did something. And finally you can see that when we change the slider, the shape of the Poisson distribution changes as well, which is what I wanted to demonstrate. So that concludes this video. The next video is going to be about Bayesian estimation. So I hope that you decide to watch it.